So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your drag and drop high quality WordPress website very easily yourself by using a new WordPress plugin which is called Cheetah Builder. I'm going to show you this plugin, what is it and how it works, etc. But before I do, I want to mention that there is a link below this video. When you click that link, you will be redirected to the official website. And if you decide to pick up this product from my link, then you will be able to get my awesome and premium bonuses as well for free. Now, how to take bonuses, where to take them, all the further details are mentioned in the description box. So make sure you check out that. So now let's quickly dive right into it and let me know you what exactly Cheetah Builder is and how it works. So Cheetah Builder is a website builder plugin for WordPress. In a sense, it's the all-in-one viral website builder that allows you to generate custom profiles easily, generate content and share with their social circles for massive, unstoppable viral traffic generation. And it provides you with a drag and drop interface for WordPress, making your workflow comparable to their of well-known website builders like Wix or Squarespace. So a graphic drag and drop page builder is Cheetah Builder. If you are unfamiliar with these phrases, it simply means that you can view a preview of exactly how your page will appear to visitors as you develop it, and you are able to create the ideal designs, simply drag and drop different content and design elements. So basically, in the other words, Cheetah Builder is a viral website builder that one setup is going to allow you to leverage other people's viral content for your own profits. They have created multiple features inside of Cheetah Builder to give you the best flexibility and freedom. So here you can see we are on the preview sales page of Cheetah Builder. All the deep information is available here, as you can see. And also a demo video is attached to their sales page. You can watch this demo to get a better understanding about this, and all information is providing here. You can read these things by yourself. I have pasted this page link in the description box so you can check. And one thing I want to mention is that this plugin is not for newbies who are new people in the web development field. This plugin is only for those persons who have already all information about the web developing and designing field, or who are a freelancer who give website development services to their high paying clients, so that people can take advantage of this plugin, because this plugin saves the developers time with its drag and drop high quality functions, so that a freelancer or a web developer can take their level up in this field and make more money in less time. So if you want to know my opinion about this plugin, see, creating website, blogs and landing pages by hiring a web designer or coder can't be an expensive deal. Just writing code can be sometimes a very hard-working job which takes hours of coding, designing, debugging and troubleshooting errors. All this was too much until we switched to drag and drop website builders. We tried numerous options and faced multiple issues during the experience, like hard to understand, don't have desired functionalities, lack of design options, can't collect leads, doesn't integrate with other apps, can't create a membership area for customers, and the major thing is we need to pay a hefty amount of money every month. And that's where Cheetah Builder comes to solving these huge problems. With Cheetah Builder you can save time, create high quality websites for yourself or your client. So in my opinion, you should go with this amazing WordPress plugin. It's very cheap and affordable as well. So now if I talk about what type of bonuses you will receive after purchasing this Cheetah Builder plugin, so here you can see bonuses informations. Like first bonus is email marketing integration, which is the most complete email marketing solution you will ever need. Here you can see the short demo as well of this bonus. So basically this is the email marketing software that helps you to create effective email campaigns. With the help of this software you can create broadcasting for simultaneous deliveries that allows you to send emails to all your subscribers on the same day at the same time. You can trigger automated emails at any time, schedule campaigns in advance and set the delivery times as you can. Then you can also see the campaign statistic. With the overview of statistics, you can see how a campaign is performing based on number of clicks, opens and bounces. You can customize your emails, headers, boxes, buttons, etc. And this is the speedy delivery, guaranteed a one-time email delivery for all your lists. With autoresponder feature, you can schedule an automated sending of emails based on the registration conversion rate of the lead. You can track your leads are engaging with your campaign, and so more and so on. And then if I talk about the bonus 2, so bonus 2 is webinar builder integration, which is the most modern and technology advanced webinar software in this industry, where you can build your professional webinar in minutes. As you can see this demo, then you can build webinar funnels or secure group meetings as well. You can engage your list with reminders as well. Ghost audience, which is create automated comments and questions that are revealed during the webinar to motivate your audience to stay even more engaged. Customizable webinar rooms, you can create a welcome video or countdown timer to welcome your audience. And in the bonus 3, which is booking app integration. With this app, you can fulfill feature calendar and scheduling system that facilitates the organization of your physical or online business. You can schedule your consultations, appointments, and events as well. As you can see here, consultation calendar provides availability options for your clients to book an appointment. More effective webinar and meetings, you can integrate it with the mailing boards. With the integration, you will be able to convert subscribe into lead by creating better performing email marketing lead. Google Calendar integrations, automatic synchronization of your appointments to your Google Calendar for better organization of your upcoming event. So yeah, that's all about the bonuses. These 3 bonuses you will receive after purchasing this Cheetah Builder plugin, which is almost worth $1,000. So that's amazing. And along with this, you will also receive my personal bonuses as well. So guys, if I talk about pricing of Cheetah Builder, so Cheetah Builder only charges you $299 for lifetime access. Can you believe this, guys? Those people who are already in web development field, they know very much about that type of plugins, that what other plugins charges to their users. You won't believe that other platform charges a minimum of $100 per month to you. But Cheetah Builder offers you lifetime access for one-time $299 cost, and with features that even other platforms cannot providing you in this cost. So guys, Cheetah Builder is looking too affordable and cheap, and this is all-in-one web development plugin you need. So go for it, guys, and grab this offer as soon as possible. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this Cheetah Builder plugin. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and again there is a link in the description below, so don't forget to check out that. If you decide to purchase Cheetah Builder, I am going to give you some awesome and premium bonuses as well for free, which helps you to make money in the make money online field. So don't forget to use my link, and if you would like to follow me, then make sure to subscribe my channel to also get future updates about other products that are being launched every single day. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll catch you in my next review. Until then, bye bye, take care.